Machitana Makhotmani. My name is Seko. This is Football SA. Orlando Pirates are signing a top winger, an exciting 20-year-old winger from Isiwelele FC. Who am I talking about? Ubohlale Ngwato. In this video, I'm explaining why this story is a story that is 100% reliable, and why Orlando Pirates are making this signing. Before I get into the details where the story is coming from and why it's so reliable, please don't forget to support the channel with a like or subscribe. So who's the reporter? The reporter is one of the top journalists in the country. His credibility is not questionable. Some people say he's number one, some people say he's number two, but it depends on your rating. But I'm talking about Umazola Molefe. If a story is being reported by Umazola Molefe, best believe that is not a joke. And you know, on this channel, I'm always very selective with the stories and transfer stories that I report on this channel, because there's too much fake news out there. But if a story is coming from Umolefe, Umazola, SABC Sport, then we are about ayodlalo leyo. And also we're talking about Orlando Pirates here. Orlando Pirates bafethu. If there's a story always with Pirates, if you hear a story that Pirates are signing a player, that player is going to be announced by Pirates. Especially if a reliable reporter says that Pirates are finishing or are closing in, you must know that player is going to wear Orlando Pirates jersey next season. Pirates, that is just how they are very efficient when it comes to transfers. Orlando Pirates, they are ruthless and they compete. They don't play games with transfers. Pirates, they are very, very aggressive. They do anything, you know. They have their own tactics, but they use their tactics and they get deals over the line. I remember, how can I compare Pirates? Okay, I can compare Pirates to, you see, Sundowns compete financially. That is the biggest tactic when it comes to transfers. The financial tactic, financial power. But then Pirates, not so much. Pirates do anything to get the deal done. I can compare to Pirates like teams in North Africa when it comes to competing and playing on the pitch. You know, when you're playing against teams from Egypt, Morocco, Algeria, they do anything on the pitch. They play mind games. They're gonna scratch, they're gonna spit, they're gonna kick, they're gonna abuse the ref, they're gonna use ball boys. They're just gonna stoop low. They're gonna do anything, all kinds of tactics, and most of them sometimes are often underhand. And Pirates, as Pirates fans, but most of you, nobody ayazi, and if you've been following your local football long enough, Pirates sometimes they use as new tactics as the underhand to get deals done. So now you know, Pirates, yeah, they know how to do this thing. Management, your Pirates, recruitment, your Pirates, you know. So this is a 20-year-old. Then they moved fast, and he's only played 6 games compared to a Premiership. He made his debut of February. Mfana wase Garankuwa, Etswane, Pretoria, Bohlale, Ngwato. The winger, he's a right winger that uses his left foot. You know, that's the trend in modern football. And if we winger that plays like on the right and you come on left, or a left, coming a right, those wingers are goal scoring wingers. They score goals. You know, they cut in and they take shots and they curl in balls. Ozuna Police does that. Mofokeng Nai played left, and then he was a right footer. Ozun played left, he was a right footer. Iboza. Okay, man, even the world football is called as a pioneers at a position like Ian Robben, ki Bayern Munich, was a deadly left footer, right, I believe. And then Frank Ribery, who was playing as a left winger with the right foot. Mohamed Salah, Egypt, in Liverpool. Wow, he's the greatest winger of this type. Not ball crosses, but Usala right was a left foot, and you can see what he has done. South Africa as well. Who was this? Monapule Saleng was doing that. Right winger with a left foot, scoring goals. Who else was there? Mohau Nkota was a left footer playing right wing, scoring goals. So yeah, Ungwato is in that mold. Only played 6 games. He's coming from a quality academy, so best believe he's well coached. He used to play at SuperSport United Academy before SuperSport were renamed to Siwelele FC, and then he played in the DTC for Siwelele. And when you got debut, CM, who I didn't think does play youngsters, but yeah, Ungwato. And he actually played against the Pirates Orlando Amstel Arena a few weeks ago. Pirates was it 1-1 with Siwelele. He came on as a substitute and wabonakala umchita. So yeah, Pirates are likely, I think it's almost a guarantee, but it's a given, but I say Pirates are gonna lose Mofokeng and even Ozone Apolis in the same window. So Ungwato is a potential replacement, obviously. He also wears jersey number 38, which is the jersey number ka Ozone Apolis. I mean ka Relebohile Mofokeng. He wears number 38, Mofokeng's jersey number, which is also number 38. So maybe he idolizes Mofokeng, or he looks up to Mofokeng, or he enjoys watching Mofokeng, or he loves Mofokeng, or he sees himself as the next Mofokeng, and he has. But you can also see why maybe Pirates. So it was easy for Pirates, to notice Lomfana. So yeah, very exciting times. Talking about the replacements for both Apolis and Mofokeng. Pirates, also other reports said the Pirates are finalizing a deal to sign attacking midfielder Golden Arrows Sianda Ndlovu. Again, Buffett, I say Orlando Pirates, if you hear reports that say Pirates are closing in or finalizing a deal, Pirates are going to announce that player, Buffett. They don't miss. So already you see like potentially already 2 signings that are replacing Mofokeng no Apolis Ndlovu plus Nalebo Ungwato. Ungwato, his style of play, besides the scoring of goals, he loves to take on defenders. But John Wick, again, I bought a nickname to John Wick. So yeah, exciting time, exciting player. Still 20 years old. Pirates moving efficiently. What do you think, Bafetunina, about this report, Ungwato to Pirates and Ndlovu possibly? If I haven't done a video on Ndlovu, I'm gonna do one, Bafetu. But yeah, for now, Ungwato to Pirates. What are your thoughts, Bafetu? Support the channel with a like or subscribe. Much Bafetu.